There it is off the lift. Looks amazing off the lift. Holy crap. Alright, I finally named a bike. So I've been working on the Shovelhead for a while now, and I finally chose the color that I wanted to go with. I think I might have shown it in a couple videos ago. It's called the Sunset Shovel, and the paint scheme is this yellow. It goes from like a lighter yellow to a golden yellow, and the whole frame will be painted the same, as well as the tank. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing right now, and we got into the one show. So this Shovelhead got in and Mike's CL350 got in, which is kind of crazy. We're both freaking out, and we found out a little late. So we found out on the 10th, and the show is on the 29th. So we're kind of stressing out right now. It is, what day is it? It's the 25th. And both of our bikes are completely apart, as you can see. I still have a lot of welding to do, so I'm doing all the welding right now. I'm just gonna knock it out so I can start painting everything. As soon as I'm done welding the tank, I'm going to sand all this down and repaint with primer and doing it proper. And then I'll be working on welding everything on the frame and sanding down and painting the oil tank. There's a lot to do, and all my parts are sitting over here. So I got the fender, I got basically everything, the wheels and everything like that. Front end is sitting here, the motor's out, sitting right here. And Mike has all his stuff laid out right here. How you feeling, Mike?
Feeling like I got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
But I also feel like I got time to do it.
What? How many days do we have?
3?
4 days?
3, 4.
I mean, today is like, we started really late today.
Look what we did in a day, though. On that iron head.
That's true. So yesterday we had our first Mazi Moto spring kickoff ride, and it did great. It was wonderful. There was probably about 35 people that joined us, and we rode down to Alice's. And the night before, we put aside our one Moto show bikes and took on Mike's new iron head. We'll show it to you when it's back here. But we basically did a complete makeover in one night on his bike, and we were here until like 1:30, and the ride was, we had to be at the beach at 8 in the morning the next day, so we didn't get home until 2, and got a couple hours of sleep, and then did an entire day of riding and hanging out at a bonfire. But now we're back on a Sunday, which I haven't worked here on a Sunday yet, and we're just trying to get some shit done. So this is the process of us getting shit done. All right, the frame is cleaned up. Did do a little bit of Bondo work. And took as much of the paint off as I could. I'm gonna be painting these two and this piece. And then I went ahead and painted the gas tank, all the tins basically. Looks pretty good. So tomorrow, I'll basically weld one last thing on the frame, clean it up completely, do primer, paint.
Get some paint on your hood.
Huh?
You got some paint on your hood.
Do I?
Yeah. Silver, somehow.
That's weird. How you doing?
I'm making my way through my entire thing of Mondo.
Yeah?
And there's still more Mondo to add. But it's getting flat. There's like a big indentation here that needed to be filled.
Yeah.
Same on the other side.
Hell yeah. And then you're painting the frame.
Yep.
I think Mike still has some fabrication left to do on the frame. That's why I'm getting my stuff out of the way. So tomorrow and Tuesday, he'll have time to paint and tomorrow. So we're both going to be painting, and then I'm going to be ready for reassembly, and yeah, we're getting there. We have 3 days.
3 days.
All right, we're going to go home now. We're moving right along. We got this sweet decal, the Parkside beater on the oil tank, and on the gas tank. And then the frame just got its first coat of yellow. This bike is definitely going to be like a 10-footer. I didn't have enough time to put in for prepping the frame properly, so yellow really shows all the little issues. Inconsistencies, that's the word. It really shows all the inconsistencies on the frame, which is kind of a bummer, but you know, we're learning here. This is my first time painting the frame, and I think it's pretty sick. And you know, it's not a show bike. I'm gonna ride the hell out of it, and as long as I can just do what I wanted to do and make my vision come true, that's all that matters to me. Also, wanted to shout out Max Schaff. He just lent me this frame holder, and it really helps out having this thing, because before it was on a little rolling cart on a piece of wood, and there was a whole section that I missed. So this really makes a big difference, having the frame up, and I can go full 360 around it. So thank you, Max. The bike is done. I know I didn't update it all because it's 1:30 in the morning right now, and we just finished up. I missed 1 or 2 things on my checklist, but whatever. Here's Mike's bike. TL 350. You guys saw it a couple days ago. It was in pieces. And now it's a full bike. How do you feel, Mike?
Oh, relieved. It would not have been possible without this guy, Mr. Joey Ukraut.
Thank you, Joey.
Everybody give him a round of applause.
Round of applause.
Thanks everyone, glad to be here.
It looks so good, Mike.
Dude, look at yours though.
These are a good couple bikes right here.
Think we'll park them next to each other?
I hope so. We should just bring it up and be like, we work together, we're part of a business.
This will look a lot better. It's saying that.
There it is off the lift. Looks amazing off the lift. Holy crap.
I don't know how Joey gets fit in the back.
All right, where are we going?
Go to Portland, baby.
Yeah. Mike, where are we going?
We're gonna get some Indy Town.
Oh yeah, that's right.
He's not wrong.
So we're all loaded up. We loaded up last night. And we're about to go pick up Joey. Very stoked.